Hello everyone, good evening. So it's Sunday. How's your weekend? No? So it's quite a tiring weekend for me. A lot of things that we do, and still, no, we'll provide these topics for you to be somehow guided on what stocks you can pick or choose, or somehow counter check it on your analysis. And again, if you have something in your mind that you are or you want to be supported with, just let me know in this YouTube video or through Facebook page or Instagram Messenger or DM. Yeah. So I only have a few here, like 5 stocks. So please watch this video out, and we'll run this quick but baga short and sweet. Here you go. All right. So for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe here in the YouTube for you to get updates weekly and once or twice a week of videos about the stock market and personal finance. The way I do this one is very, very simple. No, I'm explaining it on a technical perspective, like this moving averages, volume, MACD, and RSI. If you don't know how to use this one, again, message me, or you can scan through my YouTube channel. I have their videos of some trades and how to's in the stock market. All right, for the first one, or let me check first the uh, PSEI. Here for the PSEI, initially we have we plotted, yeah, this one, no, based on this trend. But I think the 100-day, or let me just share with you my indicators. I have here 20, 50, and 100-day moving average. Okay, then maybe, right, the stock has been resisted around this area, the 100-day EMA, or within this resistance line. Also, for the RSI, it's playing around the 50 area. No, so the MACD is still about to go above the RSI. So for me, it's still a sideways movement for this one. Next, we have ACE-N or AC Energy. There's a good move here. No, yeah, there's a trend like this one. There you go. No, as we can also see, there's the volume supports the movement, like for this one, and last Friday's volume. No, there's a lot of people who wants to push the stock higher, but the sellers still are quite dominating around this area. No? But the RSI and MACD are very, very pleasing as of this moment. Let's check the support resistance line for this one. How I see this one is it's within the area right here. All right, then right here. And so again, it's within the area. No, it's not totally the point. No. So finally, I think if this stock breaks out from this resistance area here, no, HN can go up to this point at the least. Then maybe it can retrace around this area following this trend. No, so that's the scenario one positively. No, scenario two, it can still we have the bump and run. This is the bump, or I mean yung I forgot that kind of trend we're in. Um, it is followed by a higher or a sharper slope. No, like for this one, it can go like that. No, it must be a higher slope than the previous trend. No, or the other way around. Of course, risk management. It can go back here to these levels. No, and pull up or retrace back maybe around this area. Yeah, here. All right. Sige. Next, we have Manila Water Corporation. For Manila Water Corporation, it's quite visible for the um, this breakout from this area. So let us plot that one here, right there. This is the volume is quite noticeable as well. RSI very pleasing, and MACD. So other indicators are good as well. For this one, the next possible resistance that we can see is around 14.79. No? As you can see, there's a trend here below. Uptrend naman siya. No? There's an uptrend here below. Right there. Alright, so yeah, it can move up here, be supported by the MAs. Let me check the 200-day EMA. Or yeah, I mean the 200-day EMA can still be a resistance line or area for Manila Water Corporation. RCI, now I think RCI was included last week. No, still, RCI still battling its way or its reversal. No, MACD since then, no, it's been going on an uptrend. RSI is playing around or going above 50. Like for this one, no, it's above 50. What do I mean by 50? If you can check at the lower right portion of your screen, the RSI, if the RSI is above 50, so it's an uptrend, no. But if below, most likely it's downtrend. Like for this one here, giving let's give it a chance, no, for it to go up. Sige, next, the challenge here, no, this is quite a risky pick. The challenge here must be like for this one, no, it must break out from the 50 EMA first for us to consider it. Here, our play is what do I call this one? Like a anticipation move, no. But on my previous experiences, let me share you this one. What I noticed is that it's quite it's not applicable here. Yeah, it's not applicable here. But anyway, I'm still sticking my perspective that RSI can be a possible move for this coming week. We have last two, CHP. No? CHP continued to rally or move up. Let's check its resistance line, no, or support where it can bounce back at this area. Maybe the resistance line or area could possibly be this area. So what could happen here is that since this is one good indicator, no, I have a video here which says the 20 cross 50 EMA, no. Let us check that one here. It's visible the cross, no, 20 cross 50. Like for this one, no, if we already saw that indicator, 20, the blue one, cross the 50, the green one, EMA. So as this one as well, no, it leads to a trend. So possibly, maybe my play here is that I don't have this stock yet. Maybe if this one retraced, no, let's use the Fibonacci here. Yeah, no. Maybe if this one retraced around here, no, the 100 EMA or this area, that could be a good move for this stock, no. Retraced here, being supported by the 20 or the 20 or 100-day EMA, then continue to move up. Lastly, no, we have this Yan, no? Now Corporation uptrend. Let's check its earnings. Earnings are was quite huge, no? 300%. Mm, resistance areas. We can choose that one and maybe these areas as well, or this. What's interesting about this one is the volume, of course. A rally or break, not totally breakout, no, but a strong candle movement here. Now let's check the other indicators. RSI, no, above 50, and the MACD is above the zero already, no, above the center line. So yeah, I think now could be a possible player this week. All right, so that's it. No, I guess most of the stock this or last week are retracing. Maybe there's some profit taking or some what do you call that? It's like a marathon. When you go up, at some point you have to rest for a while or maintain a normal level of speed. That's where consolidation happens. Then eventually you have to push up again. So please make sure of those stocks or pick them out. No? Okay, yeah, before I end this video, I would like to invite you again on my webinar this coming Saturday. No, the details are below in the link. So it's only 1,800. Then you get to know this and more of this one. No more indicators, more strategies about this one. All right. Again, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and see you on my webinar this Saturday. All right. Again, stay safe and God bless. Thank you for watching.
Pwede ka na mag-isip-isip. Technical yan naman. Yes. Ibig sabihin, ito yung resistance niya, yung break niya. Hindi mo to alam kung wala kang technical chart. Unlike dito kapag bumili.
Tapos pag bumili ka dyan, tapos pag
dito?
nag-ano siya ng paakyat, hindi ka nang magpapasa.
Pwede. There's a trend, di ba? May line dito eh. Again, kanina yun yung resistance, di ba? Na alam nila hanggang dito lang yung price, kaya bibenta na sila.